this week has been nice and calm for the most part, so we've been enjoying that. Our severe season as a whole has been pretty mild. We do have a marginal risk this Saturday, so we'll break down those chances in just a moment. But first, let's just enjoy the view, right? What a gorgeous sunrise that we're seeing up in Algona this morning. Temperatures in the upper 50s. A light breeze is sticking around with us today, and we are going to notice that picking up a little bit more this afternoon. Overall, pretty clear skies. You can see a couple of those clouds up to the north. There's plenty out there regionally, and even a few spots that we're seeing some showers and storms, but nothing here in central Iowa. We're going to keep it nice and calm once again for today. We've been enjoying this calm streak that it almost makes you forget that we've had that severe weather for some areas. Others still doing that cleanup, and it is significant. Thankfully, once again, we'll have another day that should be nice and calm for you to be able to do that cleanup. Temperatures rising to the low to mid 80s for the late afternoon hours. Again, a bit of a breeze at times. Hopefully that just helps you cool off as we continue to warm up just a couple more degrees every day in preparation for the 90s that are coming for us. You can see them off to the west. They've been pretty stagnant over there. Rapid City and North Platte both having daytime highs in the 90s for much of this week. Eventually that warm air will move a little bit closer to home for us, but not really until we get to the end of the weekend and the start of next week. For now, it's 80s for us regionally. You can see just a couple clouds for today. We continue to see those moving a little bit more around central Iowa by your Friday afternoon. As of now, our Friday stays dry. The bigger changes happen as we head into Saturday. A lot of uncertainty still between all the models. They're not quite aligning, but it does appear that we'll see likely some showers during the morning hours and possible a few thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon and early evening, crossing through central Iowa just before dinner time. That's the timing as of now. We know that there's time for that to change. Those storms continuing to clear out the southeast through your Saturday evening. Again, a marginal risk up to the northwest for possible severe weather at this point, that biggest risk being just some stronger winds. In terms of rainfall totals, again, I don't think we're going to see a whole lot of widespread rainfall, but if we do see some of those showers, a couple tenths of inches can be expected overall. Of course, higher amounts possible inside any of those thunderstorms. Today, though, we'll keep the sunshine around, mid 80s, mild conditions. Overnight, we're going to drop those temperatures on down into the low 60s. Quiet conditions staying with us for just a couple more days before we welcome in the chances for storms for your Saturday. And then after that, the big change that sticks around is the much warmer temperatures that are going to stay with us as we head toward the middle of next week. Low to mid 90s for daytime highs.